Good morning, students. Today we are going to study types of statements and statement flow control. First, we study what are the different types of statement. There are three types of statement. First one is empty statement. An empty statement means nothing is going to be executed. For example, if we simply write pass, in our Python code, then the Python interpreter will does not execute this line and will go to the next line. Okay, so pass means empty statement. Pass is the empty statement in Python. Whenever you write pass in between your code in any line, then the Python will not execute this line and it will go to the next line. So pass is called empty statement. Second one is simple statement. Simple statement means a single line executable statement, such as if I write print and I write something to be printed on a screen. Okay, this is a simple statement. If I write a equals to b plus c, this is a simple statement. Okay, all the single line statements, executable statements, are called simple statement. Now third statement is compound statement. Compound statements are group of statements. They are group of statements. Okay, they contains header and a body. If I talk about header, so what is header? Header contains some keywords condition, keyword condition, and colon. Header contain keyword, condition, and colon. If I write if a is greater than b, this is keyword, this is condition, and this is colon. So this is, we call this is header. Okay, now below header there is body, and body contains group of statements. Body contains set of statements, we can say set of statements. It means below header all the set of statements written are belong to this header. Suppose I write if A is greater than B, then print. This print will be written by giving some indentation below this header. Okay, because it is under this header. Print A is greater than, print B is smaller. It means below this header there are two set of statements which are going to be executed. So these are called compound statements. These are called compound statement which contains a body and a header. Okay. So these three, first, second and third, are the different types of statements: empty statement, simple statement and compound statements. Now we will see statement flow control. This